Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into some grammar tips that will help you understand why certain words fit better in specific contexts. Let's get started. First up, we have the sentence, the moon's presence has anything, little, least, few, to do with their iconic vocalizations. The best choice here is little. Why little? Little means a small amount, which fits perfectly here because it indicates that the moon's presence has only a minor influence on wolves howling. Example, imagine you have little interest in a movie. It means you don't care much about it, just like the moon doesn't play a significant role in wolves howling. Why not the other options? Anything, this implies no connection at all, which is too strong for this context. Example, if you say, this has nothing to do with anything, it means there is no connection at all. Least, this suggests the smallest possible amount, which doesn't fit the intended meaning. Example, he has the least amount of money, meaning the smallest amount compared to others. Few, this refers to a small number of items, not an amount, so it doesn't work here. Example, there are few apples left, meaning a small number of apples. Howling serves several critical tips, problems, perspectives, functions within wolf packs. It helps members keep in. The best choice here is functions. Why functions? Functions refers to roles or purposes, which is exactly what howling serves within wolf packs. Example, think of your smartphone. It has several functions like calling, texting, and browsing the internet. Similarly, howling has multiple purposes for wolves. Why not the other options? Tips, this refers to advice or small pieces of information, which doesn't fit the context. Example, here are some tips for studying, meaning pieces of advice. Problems, this implies issues or difficulties, which is not what howling serves. Example, he has many problems to solve, meaning issues or difficulties. Perspectives, this means viewpoints or angles, which doesn't align with the intended meaning. Example, she has a unique perspective on life, meaning a viewpoint. It helps members keep in pouch, collection, connection, touch. The best choice here is touch. Why touch? Touch in this context means staying in contact or communication, which is what howling helps wolves do. Example, when you keep in touch with friends, you stay connected and communicate regularly, just like wolves do through howling. Why not the other options? Pouch, this refers to a small bag or pocket, which doesn't make sense here. Example, she keeps her coins in a pouch, meaning a small bag. Collection, this means a group of items, which doesn't fit the context. Example, he has a collection of stamps, meaning a group of stamps. Connection, while it seems close, touch is more commonly used in the context of staying in communication. Example, they have a strong connection, meaning a bond or relationship. The mischief, creak, dismissal, misconception, that wolves howl at the moon. The best choice here is misconception. Why misconception? Misconception means a wrong or mistaken idea, which fits perfectly here because it's about the false belief that wolves howl at the moon. Example, a common misconception is that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis, which isn't true, just like the idea that wolves howl at the moon. Why not the other options? Mischief, this refers to playful misbehavior, which doesn't fit the context. Example, the children were up to mischief, meaning playful trouble. Creak, this means a high-pitched sound, which doesn't make sense here. Example, the door creaked open, meaning made a high-pitched sound. Dismissal, this means rejecting something, which doesn't align with the intended meaning. Example, his idea was met with dismissal, meaning it was rejected. Additionally, the posture a wolf adopts when howling, nose pointed upwards, further correlates, urges, refutes, perpetuates. The best choice here is perpetuates the myth. Why perpetuates? Perpetuates means to keep something going or to continue, which fits perfectly because it means the posture helps continue the myth. Example, if you spread a rumor, you perpetuate it, just like the wolf's posture perpetuates the myth. Why not the other options? Correlates, this means to have a mutual relationship, which doesn't fit the context. Example, the data correlates with the findings, meaning it has a relationship. Urges, this means to strongly encourage, which doesn't align with the intended meaning. Example, he urges caution, meaning strongly encourages. Refutes, this means to disprove, which is the opposite of what we want here. Example, the evidence refutes the claim, meaning disproves it. And there you have it. Understanding why certain words fit better in specific contexts can really enhance your writing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grammar tips and educational content. Thanks for watching.